no hot. Them come like sweet pepper. Big and no hot. I warm to them.
Them now. We are fuck the little bumbo blood clot. Innocent fucking pitney them. Alright, we don't take what the big woman them. Alright, but to but loud the blood clot pitney them na man. Loud the bumbo clot pitney them na man. What about a little child? What about a little 7-year-old turn you on? You fucking cunt. Dead you for dead, man. Fuck, man. I'm fucking upset, yo. Them man, ya, man. I'm fucking upset. You know? Bro, don't listen, Uno look over on a two shoulder them. Cause some of them man had the slightest little rejection. Chip them head. Chip like them, man, I know what. Like them depend some kind of drugs down them. I'm not bumbo clot no, but I'm not fuck with it. And I'm not going to die. I'm tired of it now, man. All of this fuckery. I walk with no look a bumbo clot knife or style it. And what me used to do, I put ice pick in one pen and style it. Real bad bumbo clot guy. I'm not run certain joke where I feel like I wanna go in a taxi, check it child like and them bumbo clot there. I follow a friend and them brass clot there. From at all the time we are telling these things too. None of this we happen to is not for no fault. But right now, we are fight for fucking life, bro. Cause it not gonna fucking stop. As some see it. Everything on call for bro God and bumbo clodders. Prime Minister, like not gonna fucking stop. And at this point, as long as feeding pitney good, them could give 2 fucks about us. Whole if a look ghetto could have used a nice, stable, secure local school bus where carry the pitney them from one point to one point. You know how much little juvenile have to walk certain miles go school? That should have been. Supposed to have a little free bus for kids, you know, I go certain. You understand? In a little area, boop, and no see free, boom, and then a bus fare will come on and reach home same way. Enough of them bumbo cladders hungry. Conductor, yeah, them not bumbo cladders. Them want their money, you know. Them not care how much, you know. Them are left up on the road, you know. A 4 time I get about 4 or 5, both a good amount of time you get left a bus stop coming and the money, you know. Somebody don't give a fuck about your pretty looks, you know, because them have boss for paying and picking for feet, you know. And they want them $50 in a bus fare or whatever the fuck it used to be, you know, when me that pay for go to school, you know. Look a girl them. I can't wait. I can't wait for open that institution there in Jamaica. God alone know. If him spare my life and all goes well, need to train the little girl them man how to defend themselves certain way. Defend themselves. Fling some man thump and some man elbow. Some man strength to walk a road with. Because them a take off for weak fence, you know. I don't like it, you know. I don't like it, you know. It's not cute. A woman pussy with no bumbo clot come out. A we bring with no blood clot, yeah. Fuck is going on, man? Leave we alone, man. Bumbo clot. I'm look at Annie crosses shit out, man, yeah, man. I come fuck off the little pin. I'm gonna go fuck on no mama and go, man. Dirty man on no man. So, pun me, you see? I'm really looking to certain things like, yeah, I gotta work. I work, me a bumbo clot girl, you know. I try to make a living, you know. You don't know what other struggles and Ray. You want to come take my blood clot life over some fucking front. Not even say take me. Not even say take me front and make me go back and walk. You want to kill me blood clot too? Lord God, man. The money I do too much now, man. Tired of blood clot, you know, man. Every other day, you know. Too thirsty, man. Like, I don't know what really I go on. Like, I really don't know what I go on. I'm gonna trust nobody. Nobody. The police, them neither. Trust me. Them fishy. I don't like the system. I don't like how things are run. It's unbalanced. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm telling the truth. But telling the honest truth. Them police, yeah, them fake your fuck. Them don't give one fuck. Them police, yeah. At this point, rape is not even a crime in Jamaica. 98% of the blood clot rape case, them still blood clot pending. Still I get drawn out and ignored. Them don't give a fuck. Especially if them never kill you, they might say you give it. Remember when I have a rape argument with somebody and I tell them a situation. They might say, well, it depends on what the person have on. All them blood clot there. I kill me, I must kill that. Them dirty, piss up, shit up mouth, man, yeah? Need for stay at them fucking place. And go fuck a dog or something and leave the fucking female them alone. But honestly, I want to hear say no rapists get locked up them for dead. That don't make no sense. That's unfair. So I couldn't knife lady. The man them don't rape you. The man them don't rape you. The man them boy don't like woman. More than I like woman, them eat with guts. They made rape and kill we have. Dirty man them boy. Or I couldn't knife. I don't know, I don't give a fuck when me talk. The man them of protect a boy, yeah. I take a innocent, blind young girl. And man them boy and a rate woman. Man them boy I take a 7-year-old girl and I fuck them off. And I cut off them head and them something there. Need to hang them and burn them. I'm tired now. Tired for hear it. Yeah, man. I fight for life, you know, at this point. I don't have a look at thing, you see. I understand say, you know, people are adult and them go about them business and do what them want, but yo, As Smaddy report Smaddy missing, they unsupposed to earn same time, you know. I not agree with that. 24-hour fuckery already them say, you know, the whatever the, you know, for them little principal law book or whatever the fuck you want to call it. I don't like that, you know. Alright, away, you know. ASAP, you know. In a them time, you know. I tell you the honest truth, that are my thing still. See, it probably trigger me different because I have a couple younger sister and cousin and them thing there, and you know, me experience some fuck to in my past. You know, but I just not agree with it. Yeah, a clown them take off, but not for walk with protection. A clown on a bumble clot take off. For no rape we have and kill we bumble clot off. For suck a dog. Dirty mouth man and come off from a bumble clot live. Remember which oof alive at the pan here? Trying to bother make me have to trace you. Dirty man. Woman strength to no have. Suck with the mama. Fuck you feel like. Batty tongue boy. Fucking ramp with me here. I wrong one. Hey, me no know it now. Me no do it now. But remember me this year. Just remember me over here, so. Fuck you feel like. I don't know over. Yeah, I don't really know over ramp it now. You know them days yeah, you want to buck up in a somebody like me for tapping on the neck. Fuck your ear, boy. Be a woman strength, the man them body have, you know. Be a woman strength. I hardly see man a Jamaica even fist fight them one another. Be a gun them talk about. But you know I come fist fight the woman them. No I fight the man them for going to some real blood clot thump. I be a gun on no draw for. You pussy. Fuck out of here, batty boy. Fuck you feel like. Try go on, you know. I respect to the gay people, them love you know, don't know right through, but I just one of them thing there. In my fish, go suck him mama. Man, them boy I don't rate to it. I mean, it's a lot of things, you know. It really is a lot of things. And boy, you know what you hear about, but me alone can't do it. Everybody have to work together. You see me I say? Like, I can only say I do so much. Me is not God. At least Jada got tell me for do a pray and walk on a knife certain way, cause life out there is no joke. Stop run joke on the life. Cause someone who feel like someone might have low self-esteem and who do attractive and who no feel pretty. No worry. Dirty rape, dirty crosses, man, them out there. Them still I go fuck around, you know. So walk on a fucking knife and protect yourself. Dirty crosses, man, them. This like then it's like this not gonna end, so we have to war for life, you know. And I just one of them things there. You get me I say? When you have a hole upon you, them a go rape you. Dirty crosses, man, them. Them for hang them said speed. I don't know where them a wait on. I really don't know what stop the action there. But boy, who the fuck am I, eh? Let me just shut the fuck up, don't. Like I just shut my fucking mouth. Anyway, I can't wait for drop some new music, people. And so, soon time for that. Fingers crossed, I don't know. Work I put in said way right through. Your mother have a bottom. That middle finger the way you just comment, go push it up in her ear. Your mother have a body, go find it and push that middle finger the up in her ear. Remember who for life is. You're idiot. You idiot boy from night. I say you comment bare bad things, you know. And I'm even gonna block you. I promise I'm not block you. Promise me not block you, watch. Me not block you. You ever tell us somebody yet? Eh? You ever tell us somebody yet? Answer me that. You ever tell us somebody yet? You ever tired of blood clot me? Yeah. You ever tell us somebody yet? Promise say you got tired of me. If me never fulfill a promise yet in my lifetime, that one year, I forget fulfilled. My promise for everything. You're tired of me. Cause you must blood clot one of the raper man them. Come on, no warm to fucking you. Like when you say, our time now. See where road we stab you up. Don't ramp with we. Woman them need to walk with them knife. Our time you know. Bumbo clot tired of you, man. How that about Steve Titchy Jada? Oh, you lie, so? You lying, my friend. You know you lie. You know, might it is. Thanks for compliments still. It's a good feeling. Yeah, I think I did tell her from at all the time. I never tell her that. Any category, anywhere in the world, all about, just know say Twinkle is always two.